down to our innocence. Our voices were lovers in the same bed. Now I'm not sure how they would sound. Isn't that sad? Now that the oceans are waves and the diamonds are blood, there's a new girl in your song. I didn't know that I could be replaced. Years ago I tried to get a message to you, but I never heard back. I never heard back. Where did we go wrong? Our haven was always in the song. But just when I go to close the gates permanently, I realize that it isn't me. No, I don't keep a list, can't hold a grudge. Don't you think that we both might have done some growing up? Well, I know that some shit was said and done, but it's such a different world now, I can't hate anyone. Remember when we woke at dawn, saw the silver sun in your old Citron? Remember when we took them on, stoners on the run, how the West was won? Remember when we used to swim, baby, no one around, take off all our clothes, and in the clear cold we were born again. I used to count down to your birthday. Now I'm not sure if it's June or July. Isn't that sad? Where do we go wrong? Our haven was always in the song. But just when I go to close the gates permanently, I realize that it isn't me. No, I don't keep a list, can't hold a grudge. Don't you think that we both might have done some growing up? Well, I know that some shit was said and done, but it's such a different world now, I can't hate anyone. Remember when we woke at dawn, saw the silver sun in your old Citron? Remember when we took them on, stoners on the run, how the West was won? Acting my age, not my horoscope. Guess that's growing up. Now I'm sending you love and wishing you well wherever you are. Applause! Applause, please. Applause. Alexander, Hannah. Woohoo! Thank you for watching. So, you're gonna watch me sing Holding a Grudge by Lorde, because it's the last day of July. No, I'm not going to do it again. I'm done. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe if you feel like doing so for more content. And if there are specific things you want to see, you can comment down below. Bye.